Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna talk to you about an app which is called paidviewpoint.com, and basically it's pretty self-explanatory. It's basically like a website basically where you get paid to complete simple small surveys, and this is basically one of the I'm gonna give you guys some examples on the ins and outs how this works. So you have your earnings. You can check your balances. I have about $13.84 left to be able to cash out. You cash out whenever you reach $15. So every time you reach $15, you'll be able to cash out. I'll show you the settings where you can go to set up your payment methods as well. This is your trade score. So my trade score is at 671. So once my trade score reaches 9,000 or better, then I'll be placed in the top 10%. And I'll be able to earn more for each time whenever I have surveys. So I'll earn more money whenever I'm doing more surveys. My friends. So if you want to refer your friends, you can earn up to $25 for every new member you invite. So basically, every time they cash out, you will get 20% of every business survey reward they've accumulated. So you can invite as many as you want. Let me go back here. And you have an opportunity to be able to cash out even earlier. So if you like the VIP community builder, so if you can apply for this position if you have 100 active friends using this app. So basically, let's say it's $15 to cash out. If I'm earning every time they cash out, which is $15, 20%, that's about $3 for each friend. So I mean, the whole goal for this is just automation and leveraging this survey site in a sense. So it's best you want to get as many people as you can to this website to basically leverage this. So even when there's days whenever like there's no surveys, you can make extra money just for having brought in X amount of people under your referral link. So if you want to invite people to your referral link, you can scroll down here. Now they have different options. You can invite friends from your social media networks. You can invite friends by email. You can create your own personal referral link and friends connections. People I've been invited by, my sponsor I was referred to by. If you want to create your own referral link, which I highly suggest, I recommend. You don't have to do this, but there's options. But I personally done this. So this is my username, makingprof25. Scroll down, and now this is my my username, and this will be my referral link in a sense. This is my referral link. I'm gonna highlight right here. This is my referral link, and then I have a second referral link right here. Now this is the one I use. This is the referral link I use. Now, whenever you sign up, they'll automatically give you a default. So it can be like a code like UVZ250. Now if you want to change it to like your own specific one, you can go here on the top left hand corner where it says change. You can go here, change, and then basically you can just change that referral code to random numbers. Instead of random numbers, you can create your own personal one. Like myself, I create making prof 25. That's my personal one. So once you're done, you save it, boom, all set. And basically, after you're done, you'll have to just log out and log back in, and then just go back. Go to the friends connection section, and then scroll all the way down, and then your username, your referral link username code will be updated, and you just click this link right here. copy this link, or either link, it doesn't matter. Copy either link, and then basically if somebody's interested, you just copy it, paste it, and just send it to them. And that's about it. All right, thank you guys for watching this.